With a startup capital of only 6,000 shillings 12 years ago, Sylvester Gitao Kariri, now 33 years old, ventured into the furniture-making business by making his first sofa set. His parents had been unable to see him through his high school when he opted to train as a carpenter.
Ile faida unaweza pata tuseme kama 200,000. Sasa hiyo 200,000 utoe marent na nini bado unabakishiwa tu na kitu.
His business has grown and he now operates 4 more branches. Among his clients are supermarkets who buy in bulk for resale. Competition, he says, is high, and the level of creativity in design and workmanship is the only way to maintain customers. Success, however, is rarely achieved without challenges.
Vitu zinapanda kila wakati. Sasa ukienda kununua vitu kama hizo sana tunaendea Gikomba. Unaacha kitambaa pa mita ulikuwa umenunua na tuseme 500. Unapata imepanda tena 550. Tena ukienda upate imepandisha. Tena kuambia ati customer umpigie simu mwambie ile kitu ulikuwa umepima, hiyo kitambaa nimeenda kwa soko nikapata imeongezewa bei. Wewe utaongeza customer anakuambia hapana. Mimi siwezi ongeza.
He pays his employees daily according to the job done. There are those who cut and shape the pieces of wood, others make the frames, while some prepare the materials and dress the frames. Starting a business and having a successful one is another thing. 12 years ago, this was just an idea, and now it is capable of employing 40 employees. For JSO Word 7, I'm Margaret Wariko.